Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Linda Cafe, and this is the introduction to my case presentation. For the purpose of this presentation, I will be interviewing my client, who for the sake of this video will be known as Ruth. Ruth is a 27-year-old Caucasian female who has entered the program 8 months ago upon being released from incarceration. She describes her presenting problem as her addiction to crack cocaine, which has precipitated her imprisonment on 3 various occasions. She has also lost temporary custody of her 4-year-old daughter, who is presently in the custody of her biological father and her maternal grandmother until such time that Ruth is able to complete the program, as well as to fulfill all the requirements placed upon her by the court system, the family court system. Ruth has expressed that she has suffered from addiction from the age of 14 years when she started smoking marijuana. She denies ever being addicted to marijuana, but does admit that she uses it during social interactions. However, she has been addicted to crack cocaine since the age of 17 years. She also has a co-occurring mental health disorder of depression, which is evidenced by her inability to sleep, poor appetite, sad expressions, etc. She also has a tendency to berate herself in such a manner as telling herself that she is damaged and therefore not worthy of being treated with any type of decency or respect. She always berates herself during one-on-one sessions, as well as when she's in group sessions with the other clients here at the facility. And for the purpose of this interview, I will be using cognitive behavior therapy, more specifically positive affirmations, as a means of helping Ruth to change her distorted thinking in regards to her value and her self-worth. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for listening. Bye.